आदाब, आप देख रहे हैं हिंदुस्तानी मीडिया में शाहिद कामरान। मधुबनी जिला के कपिलेश्वर में स्थित ट्रिनिटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में सरकार द्वारा जारी कोविड-19 गाइडलाइन के अनुसार 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाया गया। इस अवसर पर पिंकी झा, एसएन झा, तरुण कुमार, मोहम्मद शहबाज और रघुवेंद्र के अलावा छात्र छात्राएं मौजूद थे। सुनिए निदेशक श्री आर.के. झा के द्वारा दिया गया ये भाषण।
Most respected, my valuable teachers, my beloved students, it's a great pleasure for all of us once again to be in the premises of our school to celebrate this 72nd Republic Day. All of us know very well that since March 2020, we have been suffering from a pandemic which has affected one and all, especially school. Moreover, at this juncture today, first of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude, my sincere respect, sincere thanks to all my teachers who have shown their patience in this difficult situation. I know it would not have been an easy task for them to bear all these difficulties, but then they have shown how to tackle life which is full of challenges. Time has come when we will again find ourselves in a better situation. As far as my students are concerned, in fact, this pandemic has shown a different path, a different way of learning for them also. I don't know how many of you have taken advantage of this, but there are some who have taken. But now things are in control, and therefore especially I would like to request, is an appeal. I would like to plead for class 10 students that whatever time they have now, a couple of months, they should be in the school, because that is going to give them a final shape. That is going to give them the way they are going to take their board examination. We are all here. You are few in number. And at times I feel that there could be more students in your coaching classes than what you have here in the class. Apart from that, you have an opportunity to ask each and every teacher here whatever problem you have. But that is possible only when you have gone through the text. So it's once again my request to all of you that don't waste time, take the best of time, use the time in the best possible manner, and I not only hope, I am sure that you will surpass what our previous students have scored in board examination. Once again, thank you all of you, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mithila.
परम आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, प्राचार्य महोदया, हमारे शिक्षकगण एवं प्यारे बच्चों, आज 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह हम अपने प्रांगण में मनाने जा रहे हैं। झंडोत्तोलन हो चुका है। इस विपरीत परिस्थिति में हम सभी उपस्थित हुए हैं। जिस परिस्थिति से हम लोग गुजर रहे हैं या उसका सामना कर रहे हैं, सभी को मालूम है ये कोरोना महामारी हम सबों को, चाहे वो विद्यार्थी हो, चाहे किसान हो, चाहे शिक्षक हो, व्यापारी हो, यानी संपूर्ण देश में जो निवासी हैं, देश के रहने वाले हैं, सभी विपरीत परिस्थिति में समय व्यतीत कर रहे हैं। महामारी की वजह से समय की परिस्थिति।
आप देख रहे हैं हिंदुस्तानी मीडिया, मैं मोहम्मद शाहिद कामरान। आप हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना